The process starts with chickens on a farm.
The chickens are prepared for processing.
Processing begins immediately after preparation. The chickens are prepared for feather removal. Feathers are removed from the chickens. The chicken is thoroughly washed. Excess water is drained from the chicken. The chicken moves to the cutting section. The chicken is cut into uniform pieces. Chicken pieces are separated and aligned. Chicken pieces are cleaned again. Spices are added to the chicken. The chicken is coated with flour. Excess flour is removed from the chicken. The chicken is dipped in batter. Crispy crumbs coat the chicken. The chicken enters the fryer. The chicken starts cooking in hot oil. Moisture escapes from the chicken. The coated chicken slowly turns into a perfect golden brown. Moisture escapes from the chicken. The chicken continues frying evenly. Heat circulates around the chicken. The fried chicken is lifted from the oil. The crispy coating expands and hardens. Excess oil drains from the chicken. The crispy texture stabilizes. The chicken moves to packaging. Packaging boxes are prepared. The chicken is placed in the boxes. The chicken is securely packed. Packed chicken is ready for delivery. The chicken is arranged for display. Crispy chicken is revealed. The texture is perfectly crispy. From chicken to crispy perfection, Subscribe for more.